Hey, this is Colton with Central Alps out of Arlington with the premier off-road custom shop in the DFW area. And today we got this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Texas edition. It's got to be Texas, man. We're in the state of Texas. If you were curious as to do 275/65 paired with a 20-inch stock wheel in terms of the tires and the wheel combination fit on a 2023 GMC Sierra, they do. There was no trimming needed, none in the front, none in the rear. At full turn radius, no rubbing whatsoever. On an incline, on a decline, at the sharpest turn you can think of, nothing. If you think this truck looks good and you're like, I want my truck, my dream build even per se, started today, you can reach us at 833-268-2577 and we'll be right with you. Also, if you were curious as to what exactly we did to this truck in terms of the lift, or maybe even just the tires in this case that we put on it, you can go watch our walkthrough video where I explain everything that we put onto the truck to make it look like we did.